Nearly everything in life needs a strong foundation. Commercial real estate buildings are no exception. Before a new Starbucks or Target is built, property owners need to be sure the ground is level and ready for construction. Property owners often need to purchase materials called fill to smooth the grade. Fill can include materials such as gravel or broken concrete. What happens if a property owner contracts to get their fill, but a seller doesn't deliver? The Washington Court of Appeals addressed this issue in the 2003 case of Egerer versus CSR West, LLC. Robert Egerer owned a parcel of land that he wanted to develop into commercial real estate. To do so, Egerer needed to obtain a large quantity of fill. CSR West had contracted with the Washington State Department of Transportation to excavate shoulder materials from state highways and dispose of them. Egerer and CSR agreed that CSR would transport all of the shoulder excavations to Egerer's land parcel. The parties agreed on a contract rate of 50 cents per cubic yard. The Department of Transportation later allowed CSR to use the excavated highway shoulder materials to reconstruct the shoulder. Since it was more profitable for CSR to do so, CSR chose not to complete its contract with Egerer. After CSR's breach, Egerer didn't immediately purchase replacement fill because it would be too expensive to do so. 6 months later, Egerer obtained quotes for fill material between $8.25 and $9 per cubic yard for pit gravel fill, which were out of his price range. A year and a half later, Egerer purchased pit gravel fill material for $6.39 per cubic yard, plus hauling and spreading costs. Egerer filed suit against CSR for breach of contract, arguing that CSR failed to deliver all of the shoulder excavations. The trial court held a bench trial, ruled in favor of Egerer, and awarded damages for non-delivery. The court calculated damages as nearly $130,000, or $7.75 per cubic yard. This amount represented the difference between the $8.25 estimate he received for the pit gravel fill and the contract price of 50 cents per cubic yard. CSR appealed the damage awards to the Washington Court of Appeals.